Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel, the Chimade Video channel. In this video, a very short one, I want to show you how to convert your BNB coin under BEP20 or whatever to OpBNB using Binance and SafePal. Now, let me make a brief introduction about why this video is here now. There's an ongoing program, what we call Rent BNB, where you can make a lot of BNB, you can make money. People are making crazy money on that, and you can all just start with, let's say, $4 or so as a startup. So, but the way the system works, we use SafePal to do the business, and your base coin will be in OpBNB. Now, if you put money in any token, maybe in Binance, in BNB token, BEP20 or whatever, you cannot convert that on SafePal. So you need to have your coin on Binance. You do the conversion and then send to SafePal to start that business. So that's why this video is very important. So one, if you are coming through across this video, I will encourage you to join that program. So ask me how the details. You're going to see the details. I'm going to share with you, on WhatsApp exactly how it works so that you can be part of it. Do you understand? And if you have already joined and you see this video is going to help you so much to see how to do this. For so many people who have been part of this and they don't know what to do, this video is a guide. Now, I want to, send my BNB to SafePal in conversion of OpBNB, something I cannot do on SafePal. So what do? This is already my Binance, but let me go to my SafePal. Let me show you what to do first. I go to my SafePal. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is my SafePal. So you need to have an account with all of these things. So under my SafePal, I'm going to search for OpBNB. Look at it. Please pay attention because it's very important to understand. Now this is my OpBNB. Look at it. If you just open a SafePal account, you may not see OpBNB. This is BNB under OpBNB network. That's what it means. All of them are under our BNB coin. But this OpBNB, like you have BEP20, this other one and all that. You understand? So if you don't have it, remember how you can go and make it to work. Once you go to search, any coin you are not seeing here, go to search, type that coin, you see it, you activate it, it comes up here immediately. That's how it goes. So this OpBNB, so I want to copy the address first. So I'm going to click on it. Having clicked on it, and I click on receive. I click on copy. Make sure that's the right coin, BNB, OpBNB. I click on copy. I've copied it. Let me go back to my Binance. Now I click on this BNB. I want to send this to that place. Now having clicked on BNB, I click on withdraw. I click on send via crypto network. Now, before I do this, look at this area. This place is important. This is where a lot of people, if you are not paying attention, you're going to get into trouble. Select the network you are sending this. You are sending a BNB coin, but BNB coin is under different networks. So the network you select matters, very important. So because of that, I'm going to select this network first before I start doing it. And look at it. You have BNB Smart Chain. That's not where I want to send this to. And look at this. I click on OpBNB. Now I can now put under this address, I put it, I paste it. That's my address. Now, the minimum I can withdraw is 0.004, but how much do you want to withdraw? I can type it here. If I want all, I say maximum, I want to withdraw everything. So I put maximum, and it's there, 0.0072, whatever, worth 4.47 USDT. Now I confirm everything is okay. Now I click on withdraw. Just watch. The same thing, say, are you sure you're right? It's okay. I can confirm it's okay. Now I click on confirm. Watch. Now, the system requests me to put my authentication app because this is a transaction going on. Now, that's part of way to save me. Let it not be that someone is doing this against me. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, I've already put the code from my authenticator app. And the thing has gone through. So you see the system writing withdrawal processing is processing. It won't take long. It's not less than 1 minute. Why is doing that? Let's quickly go to our what do we call it? This place. You might be surprised to see that it's already come here. Let's check. Let's check under OpBNB. Let's check. and see when the coin comes in. It won't take long. It's going to be here. So this is the OpBNB. Let me click on it again. It has arrived. I see it. The coin is here. Look at it. That is this coin now. This is it 1 minute ago, and this, it has increased. You can see we now have 4.6516. So that's simple. So as it stands now, I now have my OpBNB here. I can easily do this business as it stands now. Look at it. It's already showing fully in this place. So I have it. I can now go about doing this business I'm talking about. So I'm going to encourage you. If you have not heard about this business, all you need is just $4 plus. And if you're in Nigeria, you think you can't do this, you just pay 6K. I will still help you to do it. So all you need to just get to buy the coin for you and help you do everything and start making crazy money. That's how it is. Please ask me how it was using the comment box. And once again, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.